And it's another glorious day in British Columbia, and here we are at Rainbow Creek Station. And as you can see, there are miniature trains in the background. We've already been on the steam train, and it was a very long ride for the amazing low price of $2.50 for adults and children under 3 free. So needless to say, Stephanie is going to have yet another ride on the train. And here we can see, whoops, Stephanie now is the proud owner of an engineer's cap, which I think she just had to have in order to ride the train again. Show Papa your hat. Say hi, everybody. I'm going on a train. You wave? Say hi. Apparently not, but it's a great day for train riding in Vancouver. Oh, the key is good. Trains they got going. You wave.